Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a trainer here at Alertus, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the AlertAware app from the App Store so that you can start receiving those push notifications from your organization. So whether you are on an iPhone or an Android, you will just open up the App Store on your phone and search for AlertAware. You will find the AlertAware mobile app that looks like this and go ahead and press that download button so that you can get it downloaded on your phone. Shouldn't take too long. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and open up the app. It will give you some more information about receiving push notifications, public safety information, incident reporting, just some helpful tools if it's your first time logging into this application. After that, you'll go ahead and click Done. You can go ahead and sign in with an existing account. We do have another video focused on how to accept an invitation and create your AlertAware account. But once you have that account created, you can go ahead and log in with your email address and your password. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my information here to get logged in. And then press sign in. It will ask if you want to allow AlertAware to send you notifications, including alerts, sounds, icon badges, etc. Go ahead and click allow so that you can get those emergency alert messages. I'm going to go ahead and click allow as well to make sure I can get those critical alerts as well. This is telling you that those critical alerts will always play a sound, even if your phone is muted. I'm going to go ahead and click allow. It will process that information, and you can decide to save your password if you'd like. And once you've done that, you're all ready to go, logged in, and you should be able to receive those push notifications from your organization. We will create additional videos to help you navigate the online application here, but hopefully this video was helpful, and please continue to check out some more of these training videos.